How to use Google Lens to solve anything instantly. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can use Google Lens to solve any problem quickly. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. So, solving math problems using Google Lens is pretty simple. First of all, simply go to your Google. There you will find your Google Lens icon. Tap on that, and all you have to do is direct it to the math problem. If you just select the text, that's fine as well, but you'll also find the solve button. Tap on the solve button, and it'll just start solving the equation for you. And there you can see the equation is now solved using AI, and there you can see the answers as well. And it's that simple. Now it can solve calculus, trigonometry, algebra, everything. So yeah, you can use Google Lens to solve your math problems. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. If you found the video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.